Hey kids, are you ready to go on an incredible adventure? A journey through time, a roller coaster ride through space, a spectacular visual experience that will leave you in awe. No, it's not a dream. It's the epic tale of creation and the fall. Join us as we bring the timeless story of how God created the world and everything in it to life like never before. Imagine a world without anything. No sky, no earth, no people. Just darkness. And from this darkness, God spoke and light appeared. He separated the land and the sea, made the sun, the moon, and the stars. Then he created all the animals. But something was missing. So God made a special place in his heart for you and me. He created the first man and woman, Adam and Eve, and placed them in the beautiful Garden of Eden. For a while, everything was perfect. Adam and Eve lived in harmony with God and all the animals. They had everything they could ever want or need. But then something happened that changed everything. Would you like to know what it was? Well, let me tell you. One day, God told Adam and Eve they could eat fruit from any tree in the garden except one. But wouldn't they be curious about the fruit from that one tree? Yes, they were. And they weren't the only ones. A clever snake slithered up to Eve and started whispering bad things about the fruit. He told her that if she ate it, she wouldn't just become wise, but she would become like God, knowing good and evil. Eve took the bait and bit into the fruit. She shared it with Adam, and suddenly their eyes were opened. They realized they were naked and tried to hide. Now, up until that moment, everything had been perfect. But now there was trouble in paradise. When God asked Adam and Eve why they had disobeyed him, they blamed each other and made excuses. God was very disappointed, but he didn't give up on them. He gave them a choice, a chance to start over. But if they chose wrong again, they would face the consequences. Adam and Eve left the garden and had to make their own way in the world. Life was harder now. They had to work hard for food and protect themselves from wild animals. But even though they had made a big mistake, God didn't forget about them. He promised that one day, a Savior would come and save them from their sins. This Savior would be a descendant of Eve who would crush the serpent, the symbol of evil. Despite the fall, life went on. People were born, lived, and died. Many of them turned away from God, while others remained faithful. But throughout history, God never stopped reaching out to people. He sent prophets to guide them and remind them that he loved them and wanted them to return to him. We've come full circle from creation to the fall, from God's love and forgiveness to the promise of a Savior. It's a powerful story that has shaped our world and our lives. And now you know the epic tale of creation and the fall. Don't forget to share this incredible journey with your friends and family. Let the wonder and excitement of God's creation and the timeless message of love and redemption fill your home. So gather together, create new memories, and pass on the gift of faith. Until next time, may the spirit of adventure and the joy of discovery be with you always. Remember, the epic tale of creation and the fall is not just a story. It's a reminder of God's love, mercy, and the hope of salvation. Now close your eyes, little ones, and picture this. You are a tiny star twinkling in the vastness of space. Your light shines brightly, illuminating the darkness and guiding those who look up in wonder. You are part of God's grand creation, a masterpiece of the cosmos, reflecting his glory and love. Feel the warmth of his love enveloping you. Know that you are cherished and held in his gentle embrace. As the night deepens, the stars whisper secrets to each other. They tell stories of the miraculous creation, the fall of man, and the promise of redemption. Listen closely, and you might just hear their ancient tales carried on the wings of the night wind. When morning breaks, the stars fade away, but their stories remain. Carry the wonder of the epic tale of creation and the fall in your heart. Let it be a guiding light in your life, reminding you of God's boundless love and the hope of a brighter tomorrow. And now it's time for bed. Dream sweet dreams, little ones, and may your dreams be filled with the magic of creation. Sleep tight, and until next time, may the peace of God be with you always. Thank you for joining us today for the epic tale of creation and the fall. We hope you enjoyed this animated adventure. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our exciting stories. Give this video a like and share it with your friends and family. We'd love to have you back for more animated adventures. Thank you for watching.